Hello beautiful souls, I am Yasuko and it's time for Massage Monday. I have been sharing self-massage a lot on my channel, but what I really love doing is teaching couples how to massage each other, which you can practice with your partner at home. I have been teaching couples privately, and I love it when they realize how easy it is to massage their partners without hurting their fingers. My mission is to save the poor thumbs, which are often abused to massage everything. I have been working on re-releasing my online couples massage course and it's almost ready. It wasn't available to public for years, but this group of people were pushing me to release it again. My target release date is next Monday, November 11th, 11/11 or 1111. It's a good angelic number spiritually. 1111 means guidance. You are on the right path and are being guided by your angels and the universe. Alignment. You are in alignment with your higher self and the divine plan for your life. Trust your intuition. Have faith in your journey and trust in the divine plan. 1111 can symbolize a spiritual awakening. New beginnings. You may be about to start a new beginning or new opportunities may be on the way. The angel number 1111 is often associated with deep connections and significant relationships. It can signal the arrival of a soulmate or strengthening of an existing relationship. How perfect is that? This week I will show you some of the videos from the online course. You are welcome to try it with your partner today. Start connecting with your partner. Put both hands on your partner, match the receiver's breathing, and take a couple of breaths together. Giver, as you do this, think of at least one thing you love or appreciate about the person you're touching. Touch is a very powerful communication tool. Your thoughts and feelings can transfer through touch. Always have happy thoughts about them. According to the ear reflexology, a human body is mapped to each ear as a fetus in upside down position. You stimulate a corresponding body part 3 times. The outer edge of the ear corresponds to the shoulder, arm, leg, and foot. Gently rub the inner edge of the ear 3 times. Flip your partner's hand so the palm is facing you. Put one thumb over the other and glide between the bones on the palm. Press and slightly slide the meaty. Have your partner lean forward so you have an easier access to the back. If there is a coffee table or ottoman, use a cushion to lean against it. Place your hands like a butterfly with the base of your palm next to the spine. Slowly walk up the back as you press the muscles next to the spine. Use your torso and body weight to press. Do not press on the spine. Let's warm up the toes. Grab the foot with one hand. Put your fingers between the toes and circle at least 3 times in one direction. And same number of times in the other direction. If your fingers are too big to fit between the toes, grab all the toes and circle. Then circle each toe by holding the base at least 3 times one way and at least 3 times the other way. Repeat on all 5 toes. I will have more information next week. Thanks for watching. Make it a great week.